Hello everyone, this is Chris from Endless Journey. If you're planning your next adventure, you know the drill. Sort out your accommodations, book your transportation, and don't forget your internet. Today, I'm diving into why an eSIM is a game changer for travelers, and specifically how Yesim makes it super convenient. This could save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle on your trips, just like it has for me many times from all around the world. When you're gearing up for travel, there are 3 essentials you handle before you even leave home: securing your accommodations, figuring out how you'll get around, and ensuring you stay connected. An eSIM fits right into that last one by having a virtual SIM card embedded in your phone, letting you access local data without swapping physical cards. No more hunting for SIM vendors at the airport or dealing with tiny trays or physical cards that always seem to get lost. Picture this: you land in a new country, jet-lagged and excited, but instead of jumping into your adventure, you're stuck in line to try to buy a SIM card. What if it's closed, or there's a language barrier making the whole process a nightmare? With an eSIM like Yesim, you skip all that drama. Everything's digital. No queues, no store hours to worry about, and no fumbling with translations. It's all taken care of from the comfort of your home before your trip starts. In today's world, reliable internet isn't a luxury, it's vital. Think about it. You need it to confirm your hotel reservations on the go, pull up e-tickets for flights or trains, navigate unfamiliar streets with maps, and even handle banking or payments securely. Without data, you're basically offline in a foreign land, which can turn a dream vacation into a nightmare. That's where Yesim shines, keeping you connected seamlessly so you can focus on the fun. Now let's talk about what Yesim has to offer. They have 3 main types of plans to fit any trip. Country-specific when you're staying in one spot. Regional plans covering areas like North America, Asia, or Europe. And global coverage options like their pay and fly plan, which works all around the world, giving you provider-level rates with no hidden fees. Plus, you can choose between limited data packages, which is great for light users with fixed amounts starting as low as a few dollars, or unlimited plans for heavy streaming and browsing. This is available in durations of 1 day up to 30 days. With coverage all around the world, you're getting the fastest speeds whenever possible. Getting started is a breeze. First, download the Yesim app from the Apple Store or Google Play. Browse destinations, pick your plan, limited or unlimited, and purchase it securely. Use the promo code ENDLESS25 with a capital E. That'll save you up to $3 off your first purchase. You'll get a QR code to install the eSIM right away, but you don't have to activate it until you arrive. Just toggle it on your phone settings when you land, and you are instantly connected. The best part? You do all of this before you travel, so there's zero stress at the airport, no last-minute scrambles, just smooth sailings. With Yesim set up, you can truly enjoy your holiday worry-free, taking pictures, sharing stories, and staying in touch without a hitch. If you're heading out soon, give Yesim a try. It's completely changed how I travel. This is a product I personally use and trust, and so drop a like if this helped. Subscribe for some more travels, and let me know in a comment down below where your next endless journey is going to take you. Until next time, enjoy.